Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how you can check number of apps opened each day. And first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to find simply digital well-being and parental controls. Then go for the show our data and tap on the unlocks. And when you are here, as you can see, you can find every app that you have on the smartphone. And in my case, settings were open at 29 times, the Google 9 times, and we can also go for the other days. So yesterday Play Store was open at 10 times, and we can simply change for the other weeks. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.